Indigo is like our Barnes and Noble. And Face Off will be orange, I guess, because I don't have red. I would put it red. Oh, and I have a headache. Oh my goodness. I'm so tired of these massive headaches. Jeez. I didn't make any pancakes this time, so I should have bought the Hammies a Timbit. But I didn't, so I don't even have pancake mix here. Oh, so cute. The little leaf. The little Austin Matthews. I love Austin Matthews commercials. I love all his commercials. The one with Nylander, with Messi, it says at the end, no. In my day, backhands were cool. Because, you know, he's more like my generation, or maybe even like the end of the boomers. So, and these are all like Gen Z and the later millennials. So he's like, no. In my day, backhands were cool. Because Austin Matthews is looking at a thing on his phone, and he says, and Nylander and Austin Matthews are looking on the phone, and they're like, that's pretty basic. No. In my day, backhands were cool. So. But I really like this new generation, how they play. I really do. I live, breathe hockey. I pretty much watch all the games that I can watch. Yeah. If there's a game, you know I'm watching. So we don't need that anymore. Oh, you know what? And I think I'm done. I'm done this one. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I'm sad. I'm done. So that's going to go on my winter shelf. And yeah, we're done now. I'm sad. This is really hard to do. Blanche does not have gray hair, so we'll color Blanche. Color. This book requires focus. If you want to see what I unboxed, I did it earlier in the video, so, and I'm wearing it currently. I'll probably wear it if I go anywhere to, yeah. Because I love this so much, and it's so comfortable. I can't get it. It's so soft. It is so soft. Nice work, Amazon. Nice work. Oh, I made a short a couple days ago with an effect. I tried to do the same effect a couple, oh, that's what I pressed, I think. A couple days, I tried to do the same effect today, and I couldn't find it. For the life of me, I couldn't find that. Because I thought, oh, that would have been perfect. Because as I was filming it, I thought, oh, that's perfect with that effect. And I couldn't find it. So